If you've been following along with our other videos in this fishing series, you've already learned the best lures to use and some techniques for how to catch fish. In this video, we'll be looking at how to fillet your fish once you've caught it. We've caught some nice-sized bass with our friend Brian from River Run Bass Charters. Using an electric knife, he's going to show us how to fillet them. If you're right-handed, place the fish head facing left of you and the tail to the right. Make your first cut down and into the fish just behind the pectoral fin. Stop when you feel the backbone. Turn your knife and run it along the fish heading towards the tail. Go slowly and keep your knife on an angle. Follow the curve of the rib cage. Flip your fish over and do the same to the other side. Next, cut off the shiny side from underneath the fillet. This is the belly fat. It stores the toxins in the fish, so it's best not to eat it. Cut the skin away by running your knife along the edge of the fillet to separate it. One last thing, there's one section that contains tiny little bones right along here. Cut this section out if you want your fish to be totally bone-free. You're ready to cook your fish. Our final video in this series will show you how to prepare and fry up your fish. Thanks for watching our video. Bye!